Hey girl, hey, this is Jaclyn. Welcome back to my channel. So we're going to start off with brows already done. I did them off camera. And to prime my face, I will be using the Smashbox Primerizer. I'm just going to put that into the skin. So next I will be doing my eyes, and I will be priming them with the NYX eyeshadow base in white. And to apply that, I will be using a flat top brush. I don't remember what type of brush this is. It's a random brush I got from Amazon. So I'm just going to be spreading the base all over my eyelid like so. And just to kind of get the product more even, I'm going to be brushing it out with a fluffy brush. So next I will be taking the Jaclyn palette in the color Buns as my transition shade. And I'm just using a fluffy brush by Morphe to do so. So the next color I'll be using out of the palette is the color Chips, and I'll be putting that on my outer V to darken it up and to give it a more smoky look. And I'm using that same brush to do so. Next product I'll be using is the Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow in Shells and Whistles. So I will be applying that to my eyelid as a base for my eyelid color. The base that I'm using here, I will be using the color Faint in the Jaclyn palette, and it just is a perfect combination, perfect match for this base. And so to give a more smoky effect to this soft glam look, I will be using a little bit of the darker shade Chips to kind of blend out and to smoke out this look a little bit more. So I will be applying some lashes, and I'll be using these Amazon lashes. These are like so pretty and give like the perfect look to this look. I'm so sorry, I'm still learning my camera and just lighting, and yes, so you will have to excuse the color on my face and just how it looks kind of crazy, but yeah. So I will be using the JUVIASPLACE I Am Magic Matte Foundation in Kampala for my foundation. I love this foundation and it is so pretty. Be applying it over my face, and I will be blending it out with my Kasha blending sponge. And you guys know I love this sponge so much. So I'll be blending it out. And to highlight my face, I will be using two concealers. The first is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan, and also the Maybelline Fit Me in the color 30. So I'm just blending out that concealer underneath my eyes, under my nose, in the bridge of my nose, and a little on my forehead. So to contour, I'll be using the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and it's using the contour shade to contour around my cheeks, my forehead, and my nose. So I'm using that Sonia Kasha blending sponge to blend out any harsh lines and to just kind of have it to melt into my skin. To set my under eye concealer, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color 30. And to give a little pop of color and brightness to my eyes, I'll be using the Rimmel eyeliner pencil. I forgot the name of the shade. Sorry guys. And I will be smoking out the bottom lash with the color Chips. And to set my whole face, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation powder in 360. And it's using this big fluffy brush by Morphe. And to add a little bit of highlight, I will be using the Black Radiance highlighter and that palette that I use for my contour. So here I'm just outlining my lips with the the NYX pencil, and I'll be using this Wet n Wild pink lipstick. I forgot the name of it, sorry you guys. And I just will be topping it off with some clear gloss from Wet n Wild as well. So to set my whole face, I will be using the Urban Decay All Nighter spray to set my entire face. So you guys, I had to, give it a little bit more spruce, so I changed. And here is the finished results. If you guys want to see a review on this wig that I have, I will link it up top. And you guys, here is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. As always, stay beautiful inside and out. Bye guys.